Good afternoon, this is Gabriel Jack, and welcome to BJC Mitzvah Day, number 58, part 7. We never went this long. The obligation upon the court to adjudge cases of civil litigation. I believe we should be finished by today, God willing, and once again, dedicated in the merit of our holy idea of soldiers. May Hashem protect them. And again, we're using the Sefer HaChinuch. Okay, here we go. The Chinuch concludes these laws and the many additional details of this mitzvah are elaborated in Tractate Bava Kama, mainly in its third chapter, in Tractate Bava Metzia, mainly in the first chapter, in the 8th chapter of Tractate Bava Basra, in Tractate Shavuos, chapters 5, 6, and 7, and in many other places throughout the Talmud where some of the laws are scattered. This mitzvah, namely, our obligation to judge monetary cases in accordance with these laws, applies to men who are in a position to judge, but not to women who are ineligible to serve as judges. However, although women are exempt from this mitzvah, they're nevertheless subject to the laws that govern payments as well as of the matters outlined above. Although there are some distinctions in the laws regarding the claims of married women in specific known instances, as is explained in the various sources we have mentioned above, this mitzvah also applies in every location and all times. A court that transgresses this mitzvah and does not conduct legal proceedings according to these laws, when it is able to do so, has violated a mitzvah obligation, and its punishment is exceedingly great. For through its inaction, it causes destruction of the land, since the land cannot be settled unless there is justice, right? Justice has to be done. That's the whole point. Set up the court, litigate when people have problems, and they have to solve their problems, and one says he's right, the other one says he's right. You need a court to settle these matters, even if one of the litigants is not going to be happy with the result. But again, the land cannot be settled unless there's justice. As the sages of blessed memory have said in Avos, the world endures in three things, and one of them is justice. The Chinuch concludes, this is one of the mitzvahs that all of mankind as a whole are commanded to fulfill, right? Judaism says that the non-Jews have to keep 7 laws, keep the 7, go to heaven, and this is one of them, setting up a court system. Because it is impossible for society to exist without its implementation. We have to have courts, Jewish for the Jews, non-Jewish for the non-Jews. And there you have it, folks. Mazel tov, finishing that mitzvah. That was 58. To sponsor future mitzvah, click the link below, or to be part of our High Club, click the link below, and we'll see you tomorrow.